Looking for the perfect digital multimeter but overwhelmed by options? Let's break it down and rank the best, from the weakest to the absolute top pick, so you can buy with confidence. Let's start at the bottom of our ranking with a multimeter that gets the basics done, the AstroAI AM33D. It's often one of the most budget-friendly tools out there and can be a good fit if you're just getting started, but compared to others in this lineup, it feels a little stripped down. This meter has the essentials: voltage, current, resistance, and even continuity testing. If all you need is a quick check on a battery or a wall socket, this little guy will handle it. It even has a backlight and data hold function, which is a nice touch for such a low-cost option. But here's the downside. It's manual ranging only. That means you need to know what you're measuring and turn the dial to the right range yourself. There's also no true RMS, no NCV detection, and the 2000 count display limits its resolution compared to the others. It's more of a basic DIY tool than a reliable diagnostic meter. If you're on a super tight budget or need something for light household use, this will do the trick. Just don't expect it to keep up with the big players. And hey, links to all the products featured in this video at the best prices are in the description below, so check them out when you're ready. Next up, slightly better but still very limited, we have the TESMEN TM510. It steps things up by adding auto ranging and NCV detection, so you don't have to fiddle with manual settings. That alone makes it easier and safer for beginners. It's got a clean display, some smart features, and a non-contact voltage mode to help detect live wires, which is genuinely handy around the house. It also powers off automatically to save battery, and the silicone case gives it a decent grip. However, it still lacks a lot of core measurement functions. There's no current measurement, no capacitance, and no temperature support. The frequency tops out at just 1 kilohertz, and the safety rating is lower than the rest, only CAT2. The TM510 is great for those doing light home maintenance or basic wiring tasks who want auto ranging without breaking the bank. And while you're here, if you're getting value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews just like this. Landing in the middle of our list is the Crenova MS8233D. This multimeter feels like it belongs in that sweet spot between entry-level and pro-grade. It has almost everything you need for serious home use and light electronics work. This one delivers more than the first two combined, with support for current, voltage, resistance, frequency up to 10 MHz, and capacitance. It's a decent all-rounder. The NCV feature adds a safety layer, and it even lets you switch between auto and manual ranging. But keep in mind, this isn't a true RMS meter. That means it won't give you accurate readings on more complex AC signals, which limits its usefulness for certain devices and appliances. And while it has a good safety rating, it's not quite industrial grade. The MS8233D is for the hobbyist or DIYer who needs more than basic readings without spending pro-level cash. It's reliable, feature-packed, and gets the job done for most household and low-voltage electronics tasks. Now we're getting into serious territory with the Fluke 117. It's a favorite among electricians for good reason. This thing is built like a tank and delivers super accurate results. It's not cheap, but when precision and reliability matter, Fluke has a reputation that's hard to beat. The 117 gives you true RMS accuracy, low input impedance to eliminate ghost readings, and a big bright display that's easy to read in dark spaces. It has non-contact voltage detection, automatic AC/DC selection, and a solid safety rating for job site use. What it doesn't have is temperature measurement, and if you're working in environments with higher voltages or CAT4 requirements, this might not go far enough. It's also a bit bulky for fine electronics work, and it doesn't offer the same high-end frequency range as the top pick. If you want a trusted workhorse for electrical jobs, especially in buildings and homes, the Fluke 117 won't disappoint. It's a pro tool with the price tag to match, and it earns every cent. At the very top of our list is the KAIWEETS HT118A. And wow, this one really punches above its weight. It's packed with features you usually only find in meters twice its price. Whether you're testing circuits, appliances, or HVAC systems, this multimeter can handle it all. It measures voltage up to 1000 volts, current up to 10 amps, resistance up to 60 megaohms, and even temperatures from -40 to 1000 degrees Celsius. There's true RMS for accuracy, NCV detection, a flashlight, and even input jack LEDs that guide you where to plug in. Despite its impressive capabilities, the HT118A stays user-friendly and affordable. Sure, the sampling speed is a bit slow and the documentation could be better, but those are minor complaints compared to what you're getting. If you're looking for one multimeter to rule them all, this is it. From hobbyists to pros, the KAIWEETS-HT118A brings performance, safety, and versatility in one affordable package. It's our top pick, hands down. All the top-rated multimeters we covered today are linked in the description below, so check them out and grab the one that fits your needs. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews like this one.